For years, business owners have operated inside a predictable financial world. Banks, accountants, processors, and paper trails. It felt stable. It felt safe. It felt like the only way to grow a business. But today, we're standing at the edge of a seismic transition. The old financial system and a new digital economy are colliding head-on. And the entrepreneurs who master this shift will define the next generation of wealth, with global crypto adoption potentially reaching 9.9% in 2026, encompassing approximately 559 million users worldwide. The momentum is undeniable. This represents a steady climb from previous years, driven by increasing institutional interest and technological advancements. Projections suggest the user base could approach 800 million by the end of 2026, rivaling early internet adoption levels. In the business realm, adoption is even more pronounced. Nearly 39% of U.S. merchants now accept cryptocurrency payments, with 50% of large enterprises leading the charge. This isn't just a trend, it's a fundamental shift reshaping how businesses operate and build wealth in a digital-first era. Most business owners were raised on a familiar set of financial beliefs. Money belongs in banks. Growth takes decades. Innovation should be slow and regulated. Risk is something to avoid. Follow the system, don't question it. These ideas created comfort, but they also created dependency. Dependency on institutions that weren't designed for a digital-first world. This mindset served us in the old economy, but the world is changing faster than systems can adapt. As cryptocurrency adoption surges with global transaction volumes hitting trillion, it's time to rethink these outdated rules. Traditional banking systems, for instance, still grapple with cross-border inefficiencies where fees can eat up 5 to 7% of transactions and settlements take days. In contrast, the digital economy offers near instantaneous global transfers at fractions of the cost. Moreover, legacy systems often limit access to capital for small businesses, with approval rates hovering around 50% for traditional loans, while crypto-based alternatives provide broader opportunities. This dependency not only stifles innovation, but also exposes businesses to inflation risks as fiat currencies erode value over time. Bitcoin, by comparison, has historically outperformed as a hedge. Then comes crypto, borderless, permissionless, fast, transparent, and empowering. It contradicts everything the old system was built on, and contradiction creates discomfort. You may have felt it. Crypto seems chaotic. What if I make a mistake? What if I don't understand enough? What if it's too late to start? That discomfort is natural because crypto removes the layers of protection the old world wrapped around us. It puts the responsibility in your hands. But responsibility is the birthplace of true wealth. Every transformation in history looked risky before it looked obvious. Your discomfort is not a warning, it's an invitation to evolve. Consider the rapid growth in 2025 alone. Stablecoin transactions soared to $33 trillion, up 72% from the prior year, highlighting crypto's efficiency in value transfer. Yes, this scale brings volatility. Prices can swing 10 to 20% in days, amplifying fears. However, data shows that educated adoption mitigates risks. 61% of current owners plan to buy in 2026, while only 6% of non-owners intend to enter, underscoring the knowledge gap. Embracing crypto means navigating regulatory uncertainties, like evolving IRS rules on wallet-by-wallet accounting starting in 2025, but it also unlocks tools for sovereignty. The key is starting small, learning deliberately, and viewing disruption as opportunity. Crypto forces growth. It demands literacy, strategy, discipline, and long-term thinking. It rewards those who innovate instead of hesitate, learn instead of fear, takes responsibility instead of outsourcing everything, embraces technology instead of resisting it. When you engage with digital assets, you stop being just a business owner. You become the architect of your own financial ecosystem. That shift in identity is the real transformation. For example, businesses integrating crypto reporting enhanced efficiency, with 84% of merchants believing it will become mainstream within 5 years. This evolution fosters resilience. Entrepreneurs who stake assets can earn 2 to 9% APY on holdings like Ethereum or Solana, turning idle capital into productive revenue. It also builds global networks as borderless tools enable seamless collaborations, reducing reliance on slow traditional finance. Here's the key. You don't have to abandon traditional finance or become a full-time crypto native. The real power is in integration. A modern entrepreneur stands with 1 foot in stability and 1 foot in innovation. You combine the structure of the old system with the exponential potential of the new. This creates something the world has never seen before: a business owner who is financially sovereign, technologically fluent, and globally connected. Integration examples abound. Companies like PayPal blend fiat and crypto for payments, while firms hold Bitcoin alongside stocks for diversification. This hybrid approach yields results. 93 public companies now hold over 746,000 Bitcoin, valued at $70.8 billion, demonstrating balanced treasury strategies, not to replace your current system, but to expand it. Enjoy instant settlement, lower fees, and true global reach without borders or delays. This approach has driven adoption with 39% of U.S. merchants and 50% of large enterprises accepting crypto, reporting increased sales. Companies like Tesla initially accepted Bitcoin, boasting brand visibility. Hold crypto on your balance sheet. A small allocation creates diversification, hedges inflation, and signals modern leadership. Companies like MicroStrategy, Tesla, and Block have pioneered with over 145 public firms holding over 1 million Bitcoin, worth billions as of 2026. Projections indicate 170 to 190 firms by year-end that will control 5% of Bitcoin's global supply. Use stablecoins for operations. Enable fast international payments, contractor payroll, and easy invoicing. Stablecoins handled at $33 trillion in transfer volumes in 2025, offering speeds in minutes and cost savings of 10% or more on cross-border transactions compared to traditional methods. Examples include Circle's USDC processing of $18.3 trillion. This is ideal for global operations. Have you ever thought about earning yield through digital assets? Staking, lending, and reward systems create new revenue streams for your business capital. Tokenize your business value. Create membership passes, loyalty points, or digital access tokens. New ways to monetize community and brand. Brands like Nike, Starbucks, and Rakuten have successfully tokenized loyalty, boosting engagement and revenue. Real estate platforms like Realty enable fractional ownership, with markets projected at $1.4 trillion by 2026. And my favorite, you could build digital tax optimized strategies. Combine entity structures with crypto tactics for more wealth retention. Strategies like tax loss harvesting, long-term holding for reduced capital gain rates, and charitable donations of appreciated assets can minimize liabilities while staying compliant. Use IRAs for tax-deferred growth or wallet-by-wallet accounting for precision. These aren't theories. They're tools available right now for business owners who are ready to evolve. Transformation doesn't happen alone. It happens with guidance, with community, and with a clear path forward. That's why we built Numeratus, a place for entrepreneurs who know the world is changing and want to grow with it. Numeratus offers tailored resources, from beginner guides to advanced tax strategies, integrating crypto seamlessly. If you're ready to start your evolution into a digital age entrepreneur, join the Numeratus community. Connect with a team that lives and breathes digital finance. Learn where to begin, ask questions, and surround yourself with people building the future. Join us at numeratus.org or book a call with us at numeratus.us if you want personalized direction, business strategy, or help structuring your digital wealth architecture. This is your bridge from curiosity to capability, from hesitation to transformation. Start with our assessment tool to evaluate your business's crypto readiness. The old world of business gave you rules. The new world gives you freedom. By mastering both, you become something rare, an entrepreneur who isn't just surviving in the digital age, but leading it. This is your moment to evolve into a creator of your own financial destiny. Your future begins the moment you decide to step forward, because the entrepreneurs who act today will shape the economy of tomorrow. Remember, with 559 million users and growing, the digital shift is here. Seize it to build lasting wealth.